Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get free custom Discord avatar decorations for your server. You can easily create stylish and personalized Discord avatar decoration for free using avatardecoration.com. No Nitro required, and here's how. This site lets you customize and decorate your Discord profile picture with cool borders. Just go to avatardecoration.com. Then, when you see the interface, click Upload Image to upload a picture from your device. Or you can pass an image URL if your profile picture is already online. Now browse the available decoration templates and click on the one that you like. It will automatically apply to your avatar preview. Adjust size, rotation, or positioning if needed. And once you're happy with your custom design, just click Save Image. The new avatar will be downloaded to your device. Just open Discord, user settings, then edit user profile, then click on your avatar and upload the new decorated image. Click Save Changes and done. Just a tip, you can revisit the website anytime to try new themes for seasonal frames like Halloween, Neon, Anime, etc. to refresh your Discord look for free. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.